This online video production platform, unlike many of kind, provides broadcast quality videos with a more reasonable price. Not only it is free to use and saves your time, but also it's incredibly simply designed. RenderForest Video is an online video and animation maker for creating intro videos, explainer animations, infographics, music visualizations, and a lot more in several minutes. RenderForest is perfect for both individuals and businesses and features upgrades and subscription plans. Is a very easy to use software that meets all my needs. The software is very easy to learn and you don't need any specific tutorials or prior knowledge of editing. It has all the features you would want to create videos for internal training, sending to customers, product walkthroughs, or for advertising. Is a platform that comes with robust tools to create and edit any type of video and audio clips and leave a lasting impression. It's an online custom intro and animation creator that users can take advantage of to design a free intro or create a video clip for YouTube and other platforms. Users can easily add amazing effects that make the video stand out. The tool has some powerful online 2D and 3D animation tools that are easy to use, making their videos interesting and fun.